Today I will be taking you English second lesson, that is precious water. Precious means very valuable. Here in this lesson it means important. See children, we use water for different purposes in our daily life. For example, we use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning vessels and clothes, washing the floors, cleaning vehicles, and plants also need water for their growth. Even animals and birds also need water for drinking. So since water is very important for all living beings, it is precious for us or very valuable to us. So in this lesson we will come to know what is the importance of water. And here there is one girl, Shiny. She is her mother. See, this girl is holding a bucket of water in her hand. So what is she going to do with this water? What conversation is going between in these two, mother and daughter? We will come to know after reading this lesson. So children, now I will read the lesson and explain. You have to listen to me. So the second lesson is precious water. It is one of those August evenings when it is raining hard. Suddenly there is a knock on the main door. Mother opens the door and finds her daughter Shiny all wet with rainwater, holding a bucket of water in her hand. Mother first gets worried about Shiny being all wet, but is surprised to see a bucket of water in her hand. Mother, Shiny, how did you get wet in this rain? And why do you have a bucket of water with you? Shiny, my friends and I decided to play in the rain today. We were in the garden outside. See children, here you can see, already I have showed you this picture. See, there is one girl, her name is Shiny. She is having a bucket of water in her hand and it is raining outside. She came from the outside and she knocks the door, and when the mother opens the door, she finds Shiny is wet and she is having bucket of water in her hand. So mother seeing her wet gets worried. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಇವಳು ಶೈನಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಇವಳು ಬಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಳು ಒಂದು ಬಕೆಟ್ ತುಂಬ ನೀರು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಳು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಂದು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಡೋರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಂದಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚಿಂತೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವಳು ನೀರು ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಳು ಅಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ ಚಿಂತೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಯ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತು ನೀರು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Shiny replies, my friends and I decided to play in the rain today. We were in the garden outside. Mother, okay, take this towel and dry yourself quickly. You may fall sick. But what is this bucket for? So when mother asks, Shiny replies, I and my friends wanted to play in the garden. So while playing we get wet in the rain. ಅವಳೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ನಾವು ಆಟ ಆಡಬೇಕು ಗಾರ್ಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಯ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಸರಿ ಈಗ ಟವೆಲ್ ತಗೋ, ಸರಿ ಒರೆಸ್ಕೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹುಷಾರು ತಪ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಹಿಡಿದಿರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಕೆಟ್ ತುಂಬ ನೀರು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾಳಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Shiny, it is a part of our science experiment at school, mom. Today we learnt about rainwater harvesting. Our teacher taught us about rainwater and how we should enjoy and utilize it for our benefit. Mother, well, that sounds very interesting. So tell me, what are you going to do with the knowledge of rainwater harvesting and how will it benefit us? So when the mother asked her, why you are having this bucket of water in your hand? So the Shiny replies that it is our experiment, science experiment. Our teacher has told about rainwater harvesting. See children, rainwater harvesting means storing the rainwater. The storing the rainwater so that we can use it for in further use, or in future we can use that water for our different purposes. So that is called as rainwater harvesting, storing rainwater for future use. So our teacher has taught us this today. So we want to do the science experiment and we will use it in our future. So mother tells it's good. Then what do you want to do? How will useful for us? ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Shiny,